2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18,
Sa 3.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30.
How about sa 4?
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 24, 24, 28, again, 4, 8, 12, 16, 16, 20, 24, 38, 38, 32, 32, 32, 4,
36.
36, 40,
Isa pa.
4, 8, 12, 16, 16, 20, 24, 30, 38, 32, 36, 40.
Very good. 5.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 35, 40, 45, 50.
How about sa 6?
6, 12, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 50, 54, 60.
How about sa 7?
7, 14, 21, 38, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70.
How about sa 8?
8, 16, 24, 32, 32, 40, 48, 56, 63, 63,
64?
64, 72, 80.
Tama. Next na 9 ate.
9, 18,
Memorize ate.
37,
Hindi ko memorize kali. Okay sa memorization. Sa 9. Go
9,
ate.
18, 37, 36, 36, 40, 36, 45, 54, 54, 62, 63, 72, 8, 72, 81, 90,
10.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 67, 18, 19, 100.
Very good. Okay. So this one ate, di ba we already learned kahapon yung addition? Tama? So this one, continue tayo ate up until mag-proceed tayo sa division ha. Okay. So this one, isang example ate for the addition, tapos 3 example for subtraction. After that one, we will have multiplication na 3, tapos division 5. So for multiplication ate, try daw ito ate. Okay, tapos multiplication ate. Na-remember mo pa ang multiplication? Sa process?
Yeah.
Okay. Sige, start ate.
2 plus 3.
Ano gani kapag ang number on top and the number at the bottom is the same?
Is equal to 1.
Very good. Next.
Sorry.
Sige na, okay lang. 39. Can we reduce it? Hindi. By what number?
5, 3.
Very good. By 3. Start ate. Reduce it.
1, 3, 6, 9, it's 3.
Very good. Next.
8, 4.
Very good. Di ba mas easy? 4 and 24. Can we reduce it? Hindi.
Yeah.
By what number?
6, 9, 12.
Hindi pwede. Ang 3 kay 3, 6 man. Hindi matamaan si 4.
Maybe 2.
Try 4.
4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 18.
16, 20.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24.
So matamaan.
Tama ba 4?
Oh, matamaan man, di ba? 4. 4, 8. Ay, nakalimutan.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 6.
Next.
7.
3 and 9. Can we reduce it?
Yeah.
By what number?
5, 2.
Correct. Sige, reduce.
3, 6, 9.
Next, multiply.
Classical by 5. 5, 10. 6, 12, 18 is 18.
Oops, 10 and 18.
Ay.
Can we reduce it? Hindi.
Yeah.
By what number?
By 2.
Very good. Do not forget ha, ang reduce na.
4, 6, 8, and 5. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. It's 9. Next. 4, 8. It's 8. 4, 8. 8. 6, 12, 18. It's 18.
Huwag mo na ipakita itong divide, oh. Diretso ka na answer if you want to reduce it. You do this one kaagad. Don't show the divide na, ha. Diretso ka na answer. If you already know, ate, what is the number to be divided sa 8 and 18, do not show this one na, ha. You can skip it na. So, what number, ate, can be divided by 8 and 18?
It's 2.
Do not show divided by 2. Diretso na kaagad.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Very good. Next.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. It's 9.
Okay, next.
8, 16, 24, 30,
2.
32, 40, 48, 50, 48, 48, 56,
Tama na.
56.
Next. Ha? Multiplication yan, ate. Na plus minus ba yan?
Ay. So, I will,
Multiply. 9 times 9. You forgot.
so, skip that and height.
Correct. Skip out by 9.
9, 18, 27, 27, 36, 40, 36, 45, 50, 54, 54, 63, 72, 81, 81.
Wag mo kalimutan, ha. If it is multiplication, ate, you do 9 times 9. Do not copy the 9, ha. Kailan mo i-copy ang 9? If it is plus and
Times. Ay, minus.
minus. Okay, very good. You change it into 81.
81.
56 and 81. Can we reduce it? Hindi.
No.
Correct, no. Okay, so you're good na? Okay. Next, ate, so we are going to learn about division. So this one, for division, ate, try natin ganito, ha. 2/3 divided by 1/4. Okay, how to solve ganito for the division, ate? First, si 2, who is the pair of 2? Si 4. Tapos, saan mo ilalagay ang answer? At the top. So you do this one, ate, oh. Whoop. Whoop. Okay, you do that one. Next, who is the pair of 3?
This one.
Whoop. Tapos, whoop. You do that one, ha. Tapos, never mind the division. The division will become multiplication. So you do this one, 2 times 4.
2 times 4.
Opo.
2, 4.
Oh, di ba 2 times 4? Sino mas malaki na number?
4.
Oh.
4, 8.
Oh, that's
8.
8. Saan may susulat si 8? Whoop, whoop. So, in the top. Next. 3 times 1.
3 times 1. 3, 6. Ay, 3.
3. Saan may susulat si 3? Whoop, whoop. This one. Is this our final answer?
No.
Why? Because?
Because it's improper.
Very good. So, if it is improper, what are you going to do? You have to make it into a mixed number. Make it into mixed number down. Very good. First, read it. Read.
3.
Baliktad.
Ay, 8. Divided by 3.
Correct. 8 divided by 3, how much?
Skip by 8.
Kung sino di ba ang nasa labas, yung ang skip count?
Ay. 3, 6. Ay, 3, 6, 9, 12.
Ah. Divide, ate, oh. It's not multiply.
Ay, okay. 3, 6, 9.
Pero,
Ay.
8 man ito.
I would like
You do that one. Because bawal ang lampas, di ba?
ng 8.
Oh, bawal lampas ng 8. So, how much? 2. Very good.
I put it on top of
Next, how to read it?
3
Times 2. 3 times 2.
3, 6. It's 6.
Oh, put 6.
I'm gonna put 6 under 8.
Oh, very good.
8 minus 6.
8 minus 6, how much?
8 minus 6. 8. 1, 2, 3. It's 2.
Very good.
I'm gonna put it under 6.
Next. What's next?
3.
Hindi na, make it into a mixed number.
Ito, mixed number. And then 2.
Ah, you forgot our lesson. Di ba? The number on top is the big number. The number at the bottom is the number on top. The number at the side is the number at the bottom. Okay? So, final answer, you copy this one in here. Huwag kalimutan, ha? Okay, sige, isa pa. Okay. How about, what if we have 8 all over 9 divided by 4 all over 6? Sige daw. Oops.
Okay. 8 divided by 6.
8? Di ba never mind the division?
Ay,
8 times 6. Saan isulat ang answer? At the top. 8 times 6, how much?
8, 16, 24, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. Ay, 48.
48. Two left, 48. Next.
9.
9?
9 times 4.
9 times 4.
9, 18, 27, 27, 36.
36. 48 and 36. Is that our final answer? Hindi.
No,
No, why?
because it's improper.
Improper. If it is improper, what you are going to do?
You're gonna do
That one. Oh, dito ka. So since that is a big number, ate, you will do trial and error, ha? Okay. 48 inside. di ba, you can test the number from 0 to 9. Tapos, sino lang yung pwede mo i-test? Si 36. Dapat, it should not go beyond 48. So you have a freedom to choose from 0 to 9. Take a guess daw.
0 to 9.
Make sure na hindi maglampas ng 48. Take a guess.
Maybe 5.
Maybe 5. So you are going to test 36 ate. Put 36 in here. 36 times 5. Sige daw.
6 times 5.
6 times 5.
Multiply by 6.
Mm.
6, 12, 18, 24, 24, 30 is 30.
Oops, di ba you have 30?
Ay,
Sino yung iiwan mo sa bottom? Si 0 or si 3?
si 0.
Si 0 ha, si 3 ang i-carry. Sige daw. 0, you put 3. Very good. Next.
5 times 3.
How much?
5 times 3. 5 times 15
Very good.
is 50.
Oops.
Ay, plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 6, 7, 8. So I'm gonna put,
Di ba 15?
15,
16?
16,
17?
17, 18.
18. Is 5 our answer? Hindi.
No.
Why?
Because it's
Greater than 48. Next. So, ibig sabihin, your choices na 0 to 9, you will not include 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 because it will be a bigger number. So, what's your next na option? 0 to 4. Take a guess.
4.
Try. Pag dito ka solve, para hindi matabunan ang answer mo dito ka. Sige, put.
36.
Okay. 36 times 2. If it is a big number, gani ate, you do this solution ha, so that it will be easy for you ha. Sige daw.
6 times 2.
6 times 2.
6, 12,
12, very good. Okay, 1. Next.
2 times 3.
Hmm.
Ask ka pa 3, 6. 6 plus 1 is 7.
Do not ask teacher na ha kung what number you are going to skip count ha. You already know kung sino ang mas malaki, you do the skip count of the bigger number ha. So is 2 our answer? Hindi. Why?
Because it's greater than
48. So from 0 to 5, 0 to 4, you choose 2. So what's the last ate, the number ate? You have the only option 0 to 1 because you choose 2 man. Take a guess. 1 ate. Do not choose 0 ha because if you choose 0, 0 times 36, it will become 0. So you need to choose 1. 1. Diretso ka na. You put 1 na in here. Basta 1 na gani ate, diretso ka na sulat. Sige, 1 times 36.
1 times 36.
How much?
6.
This one ate, this one ha, any number multiplied to 1, the answer is that number. For example, 72 times 1, what's the answer? 72. 1,000 times 1, the answer is 1,000. Next, 8 times 1 ate, how much is the answer? 8. So, this one, listen ka, any number multiplied to 1, automatically, the answer is that number. This one ba For example, I have in here 48. 48 times 1, the answer is 48. 500 times 1, the answer is 500. 1,000 times 1 is equals to 1,000. Any number ate multiplied to 1, the answer is this ate ha. So 1 times 36.
1 times 36 is 36.
36 ha? Gets?
I can never put 36.
Put 36 under 48.
30.
Go. Minus.
48 minus 36
48 minus 36.
or minus 6.
Hoy. 8 minus?
Ay,
Di ba you start in here always? You start in here. 8 minus 6.
8 minus 8.
The question, is it possible? 8 minus 6? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, because the number ate on top is bigger than the... what if nag-switch sila? What if 8 is in here tapos 6 at the top?
I will borrow to
Very good. 8 minus 6. Open your 8 fingers. You close 6. How much? Two answer. That one. Next. 4 minus 3. 4.
is 1.
1. Very good. So write it natin into...
The ano number?
By the way, ate, you are not going to proceed with 12 divided by 36 because you don't have any number here anymore ha. Wala ka mang bring down. Okay? Make it into a mixed number daw.
Yeah.
Go.
Okay. The number on the bottom, the number on the top.
Ha? The number at the top is the big number. Put a big number muna. Next. The number at the bottom. Top. Very good. The number at the side is the 12 and 36. Can we reduce it? Hindi.
Yeah.
By what number?
By 3.
Pwede sa 3 pero very small yun sa ate. Think of another number.
Maybe 4.
4. Pwede ate, try 4. Do not show na mag-divide ng 4 ha. So, diretso na kaagad.
4.
12 divided by 4.
4, 8, 12, it's 2.
Put 3. Next, 36 divided by 4.
4, 8, 12, 16, 16, 24.
16, 24?
Ay.
16, 20.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 24, 24, 28, 36,
2.
32, yes, 32, 32,
30.
36, is 36.
It's
9.
9. Wait lang. Sige, sulat 9. 3 and 9. Can we reduce it? Hindi.
Yeah.
By what number?
3.
Correct. Divide by 3. 3 divided by 3.
Wait, about 3 na.
3 divided by 3.
3 divided by 3 is 1.
Next, 1 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3.
3, 6, 3, 6, 9 is 3.
What's the final answer? Very good. Huwag mo kalimutan yung malaki na number ha. Okay, that's 1 and 1/3. Isa pa. Teacher will not coach you anymore ha. You do it on your own. What's the first thing that we're going to check ate? You need to check ate if it is improper. If it is improper fraction, what we're going to do? You have to make it into a mixed number. After making it into a mixed number, you have to check ate if it is reducible. Ha? If you can simplify. Sige, try natin ate. Hmm.
4 times 8. Ikaw na lang ay 8. 8, 16, 24, 30. Ay, 36. Ay, apat. 4,
Ha?
8,
By 8 lagi. Di ba? 4 times 8. Sino mas malaki?
8.
Hmm.
8, 16, 24, 30. Ay, 4, ay, 8, 16, 24, 24, 28.
32.
Ay, 8, 16, 24, 32.
Di ba? 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Ah, nakalimutan.
8, 16, 24, 32 is
Oh.
4.
Ha? Times man. Oh, 32. Next.
7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 42
Hmm.
is
Proper. Oh, since this is proper, what's next? You have to reduce na lang ate ha. Do not make it into a mixed number na, okay? If it is proper, do not do this one. Gets? Pero you have to reduce this one, 42 and 32. What number can be used ate?
maybe 4.
Try to check daw.
4, 8, 12, 16, 18.
16, 18.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 32.
28?
Ay.
28, 32.
28, 32.
Oh, 32 is mentioned. Eh, try to confirm. Eh, 42. 32.
12, 32, 36, 40.
Oh, after 40, what's next?
Ay,
40? It's not 42 ha. After ganit ng 40, ate, di ba you do this one? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Di ba you run out na ate because that's what you've memorized lang? Basta once gani ate, na when we say table of multiplication of 4, it means ate, adding 4. Di ba you start with 4? Oh, 4 plus 4.
4 plus 4.
Oh, di ba? 4, 8. Oh, di ba that's the ano ate? The multiplication and addition ate, they are interconnected. Ibig sabihin, the first ate is 4. After sa 4, you add 4, nagiging 8. Oh, if you add another 4 ate, sa 8, it will become 12. That is why 4, 8, 12. So this one, if umabot ka na ng 40 ate, automatically, if you want to find out the next answer, you have to add 4 lang. O, 40 plus 4.
40 plus 4. 41, 42, 43, 44.
Oh, ibig sabihin, ang ika-11 mo ate is 44, di ba? 32, 36, 40, 44. Oh, 42 is not mentioned man. Ibig sabihin, not divisible by
4.
Try to think of any other number pa ate. Ate, you always forget ate ba? Yung ginaano ko, sabi di ba? Try to look at the end digit of the number. What's the end digit of the 32? What's the end digit of 42? Oh, so ibig sabihin, what number?
2.
Tama ate. Pag once gani ate na nakita mo ang end is 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 ate, automatically divisible by 2 ha. O, di ba 2 in here and 2 in here? Automatically 32 and 42 is divisible by 2. 32 divided by 2. Do not skip count, kaya matagalan ka niyan. You do this one, oh. 32. You do that one para mabilis.
2.
Baliktad.
Ay, 3 divided by 2.
How much?
3 divided by 2 is skip count by 3.
Ha?
Skip count by 2 pala.
Kung sino ang nasa labas, yun ang skip count ha?
2, 4, 6.
Ay, lampas-lampas.
Ay,
Nag-multiply ka.
4.
Oh. So,
It's
1, correct. Next.
And then 1 times 3. Ay, 2.
1 times 2, how much?
2
Oh,
is 2. I'm gonna put the 2 under 3.
correct.
3 times 2.
Minus.
Ay, 3 minus 2 is... Ano tayo ba?
Proven. Di ba you open your... Di ba you open your fingers? do not try to remove this one, ha? But instead, you remove this one. You open your fingers. Tapos, if you remove two, you do that. Don't do it again, ha? That you're going to close this one, ha? Sige na ulit. Ikaw. Don't do that one again. Don't do
I want to do that.
Don't do it, ha? Di ba you have your 3 fingers? You close it this way. Not the other way around, ha? Don't close this one, ha? Saan ang close mo?
Isa.
3 minus 2.
Is 1.
1. Wait, ate, don't do it again, ha?
That's what I always count.
Pero, di ba that's 3? You close this one, the other way. Ha? Okay? Don't do the other way. So next, you have 2 man in here at the top. Ding down. Ay, naku ate. Wait, don't do it again, ha? Next. What's next? 12?
12
12?
divided by 2.
12 divided by 2.
12 divided by 2. I skip on by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 12
Hmm.
is 6.
Saan sulat sa 6?
Beside
Correct.
2. I want.
Next.
6 times 2.
6 times 2.
2, 4, 6. Ay,
Skip count ka by?
6.
6 times man, not divide.
Ay, 6. 12.
Oh, so that's 12. 12 minus, sige sulat. 12 minus 12.
12 minus 12 is 0.
So what's the answer?
16.
16. So equals ka dito.
16.
Equals, tapos 16.
Ay, 16 lang. More like that.
Huh?
Ay.
You put na 16.
Ay.
Next. Ito naman, 42 divided by? This one naman, 42. 42 divided by? 42 divided by?
42 divided by...
Ano ba yung divide mo kay 32? Di ba si 2?
Ay,
Same process.
42.
42 divided by 2. I remember it again. Go. Sige. Try to say it now.
2, ay, 4
Divided by
Divided by
2.
two.
Sige.
2, 2, 4
Mm.
is 2.
Correct. Next.
2 times 2.
Mm.
2, 4.
Okay, next. Now, minus.
4 minus 4 is 0.
Do not write 0 na ha. If the 0 gani ate is at this side, do not write 0 ha. Okay, but instead you bring down 2. Try to read it daw. Sige.
2 times, 2,
You do this one. 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2.
2.
How much?
2.
Huh? 2 divided by 2, 2.
2, 4.
Divide, not times. 2 divided by 2.
2.
Oh, how much? 1.
I'm gonna put the 1
Where?
beside
Diyan.
here.
Oh, sige.
Sit up.
Mm.
And then,
What's next?
wait.
2 times.
I'm gonna put the 1 here.
This one naman. Ito naman yung 1.
Ay,
1 times 2.
1 times 2 is 2.
Mm.
I'm gonna put the 2 under 2.
Okay, very good.
Then 2 minus 2.
2 minus 2.
2 minus 2 is 0.
0. Okay ha? So, understood that one ate? Understood siya? Sige. So, okay na tayo for division. Right now ate, yung last na topic na ituro ng teacher is, what if this one, different ang this one ate ha? Okay ha? Di ba, nasanay ka na ang denominator, if you do addition, is the same. For today ate, I will teach you what if the denominator is not the same. Kung baga pa ate, not similar ba? So, for example, this one ha, you will write it in here na lang sa likod. It's okay lang, dito sa likod. Sige. So, for example, this one ate, 1/3 plus 2/5. Oh, if you are going to look ate, the denominator is not the same. Tama? This one, ito 3, ito 5. So you cannot do anymore 1 plus 2 ha? Which is, you cannot do anymore the 3 plus 5. Because the denominator is not the same. Tingnan mo dito, 5, 5, you copy 5. 9, 9, you copy 9. 24, 24, you copy 9, 9, you copy 9. This one ate, we cannot apply it. Why? Because they are not the same. Dissimilar ang kanilang fraction. So what are you going to do first? First is, you have to do this one. 3 times 5. No, 3 times 5.
5 times
15. Tandaan mo ate ha, kung sino ang mas bigger number, yun ang i-skip count. Ha, para mas easy. Sige, so isulat mo dito ang 15. Tama? Oh, nasulat mo na ang 15. After writing 15 ate, automatically, you do this one. First step, denominator. After sa denominator, you do this one. 5 times 1.
5.
Oh, so you put 5. Then, you have to copy the last na sign. Next, you do this one. 3 times 2.
3, 6.
Oh, so you put 6 in here. 5 plus 6.
5 plus 6.
Plus not minus.
11.
11. 5 plus 6 ate, di ba, sino mas malaki? Si 5 or si 6? Si 6. So, ibig sabihin, since you already know ate that 6 is bigger, you have to do 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, that's 11. 11 all over 15. Can we reduce it? Hindi.
No.
No na. Okay ha? Because, if you try to skip count ate with any other number, hindi mo matamaan si 11. Okay, gets? Okay, isa pa ha. Follow the steps na binigay ni teacher. So, this one, I have 2/3 plus 1/4. First muna i-check ate, look at the denominator. Are they the same? Hindi. No. So, what are you going to do?
I'm gonna do like that one.
Oh, so,
So 4 times 3.
very good. 4 times 3.
4, 8, 12.
So, saan isulat si 12?
Here.
Sulat. There. Next, after that one,
Is 4 times 2.
4 times 2.
4 times 2, 4. 8 is 8.
Put 8. At the top.
Then
Tapos you copy the plus. Next.
3 times 1.
3 times 1.
3.
3. Put 3.
And then
8 plus 3.
8 plus 3 is 8 plus 3.
Sino mas malaki? Si 8 or si 3? Si 8. So, ibig sabihin, ate, put in your mind na 8 na. Close this one. 8. Open your 3 fingers. Open your 3 fingers. This one ba? Yan, that one. Ibig sabihin, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ibig sabihin, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 all over 12. Can we reduce it? Hindi. No, because we cannot reduce 11. Ha? Okay. Isa pa ha. Teacher Charles will not, coach you anymore ha? Okay. Very good. You observe that one, ate. Since parehas ang denominator, no need to multiply because the denominator is the same. Next. What's next?
7 plus 8.
Very good. 7 plus 8.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Correct. 15 over 9. Is that our answer? Hindi.
Yeah. Ay.
Uy, improper yan, Day.
Ay.
Since that is improper,
You do like that.
you do the trial and, no pala, you do the mixed number.
Number.
Go. Process it, ate. The mixed number.
15 inside. 15 inside and 9 outside.
Correct. Try to say it daw, be.
9.
Baliktad na naman.
1 divided by
1 divided by 9. Pwede hindi. No, why?
Because it's
If you open your one finger, ate, you cannot see 9. 1 divided by 9 cannot be. So what will happen to 1?
15.
Si 5 will join to 1. From 1, it will become 15. 15 divided by 9. Skip count ka by? 9.
9, 9, 18, 37.
Lampas-lampas.
9, 18, I'll do like that.
You're very good. Because if you do this one, ate, it's 18. Di ba? 9, 18. Since bawal man tayo maglampas ng 15, you close it. It's 1. Very
I
good.
put the 1. I put the 1 on top of
Go.
15. And then 1
times 9.
is 9.
Where do you put 9?
Under,
Not under 1. Under 5. Under 5.
Under 5.
Minus.
5 minus, I put the minus here.
This one, sa side, you put, yan, minus. You put a line ka agad. You put line. 5 minus 9. Pwede hindi. No, why?
Because it's smaller than 9.
9 is bigger than 5. So, anong gagawin ni 5?
1 will join to 5.
Anong gagawin ni 5? Si 5 will borrow to 1. Or 1 will become
Zero.
0. O, crush it out, crush. 0, put 0.
Where?
Dyan. O, 0. Tapos si 5 will become
15.
15. O, 15 minus 9.
15 minus 9, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Hmm.
Hanap ko sa 6 ano.
O, next. You make it into a
Mixed
mixed number na.
The 6 here. And then the 1. The big number. And then 9 is...
O, is that our final answer? Hindi.
No.
Why?
Because it's... Ay. I can answer.
Reduce. Reduce, sino? Sinong i-reduce? 6 and 9. By what number?
By 3.
By 3. Very good.
By 3. 3, 6.
How much? 2. Put 2.
2, 3, 6, minus 3.
Very good. Kulang ka pa ate. What's your final answer? 1. Okay ha? Okay, you understand it? Okay, sige. Call your kuya ate. Okay, i-memorize na yun. Tapos, don't do it. Go. Ate, it was recorded by on the video.